to round it out.
Evening. Look where we are. It's 4:30, surrounded by mountains from all the sides. A good hiking spot for kids as well. I like this little greenery on all the rocks, and I can see that there are 2 caves there. Let's go there. Now from a little height, Dora Explorer struggling her way up. Wow, that's the way we came from. I'm so much amazed with this. There comes some explorer. Yeah, take that line. Now go there, that side. There, you need to climb up from that side. Not from here, this is very steep. Okay, figure it out then.
Spot Sun Explorer. There he is. He's wearing a grey t-shirt. Here we have 2 people collecting wood for campfire.
We're gonna go up that way. Let's see how far we can go. Camera won't be able to see mommy. She's very far.
Yippee!
Don't hurt the greenery, please. Thank you.
It took you only 3 minutes to come. So quick.
Wow, great.
This is our Babaji coming down. Bigfoot. We found Bigfoot.
Daughter is coming. She'll tell daddy where to come from.
Okay, so we reached down almost. We went beyond those trees. At least mommy explored. I was on the second tree. Mommy went behind that first tree. Tomorrow morning we'll be hiked further than that. Isn't this wonderful? All this lush green. Enjoy this greenery. Amazing.
When it rains again, there will be a waterfall.
Waterfall again, right?
Yeah, and the plants will get
This is the place where water comes down from, obviously, that waterfall.
it's called.
I know. Even if it is small, a little bit one, it's more than enough for these plants to survive. It looks so beautiful.
Waterfall of green.
Yeah, this is waterfall of greenery. Good one. Collected our dry wood. Now let's set up camp and set up some fire. Okay, it's almost 7 o'clock. We had a bummer. Pole light got broken somehow. We have this small one hanging up here. So the fire is being set.
The Notorious explorers are sharpening their skewers for marshmallows. I can build myself one.
Fire is pretty high now. There's the small light I was talking about. We put some potatoes, tomatoes and sweet potatoes. I hope you guys can hear that sound. Oil.
Asafoetida hing.
So we remove the grill. There comes some jeera. Green chilies as many you like.
These are the potatoes. We have
Potatoes which we roasted. Salt
Hi, can we please
to taste.
salt to taste. Now we'll add some Dum Aloo Masala. It's a special masala from Prayagraj. This is amchur powder.
Mango powder.
Mango powder. You can have it like this or you can add some water.
There's green chili water.
This was a long pending recipe
Okay, so covered it now.
and we'll let
Let's
it cook.
catch it after a while. Whoa! Look at all that. Yep, that's where we are. Food is almost done. Time to set up the tent.
Let's go. This is not sponsored by Intex. We just bought them because their products were best quality.
Tent is set. Food is done. Let's catch you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye from Notorious Explorers. Good morning. Chalo, let's have some coffee. Pretty hot. Coffee time. The sunlight has touched the ground. We are also ready. Things are out from the tent now. Time to fold up the tent. Okay, let's fold it up. And that's how you fold a tent. We're set from here. Let me close the boot. All packed up. All tied up. Plan is to go in the wadi a little bit deeper to explore more.